Meaning of faculty.
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 Faculty. In general, the term faculty refers to a group of people who work in an academic setting, such as a university or college. These individuals are typically responsible for teaching and conducting research in a particular field or subject area. More specifically, the term can also refer to an individual's ability or skill in a particular area, such as a person's artistic faculty or their innate cognitive faculties. Overall, faculty is a broad term that pertains to both individuals and groups and is generally associated with academia and intellectual pursuits.